Alright, man, it is crazy, crazy storm out there. We're in December now. We're having a thunderstorm. And I guess I'm in the 5% because I was hanging out with, I don't even know if you guys can hear me. This is crazy. I was hanging out with, my stepson, Keenan, and, I'm looking this way, he's looking this way, we're talking to each other in the dark, and I saw a ball of lightning. Huge, man. It was huge. And I guess that's a very rare thing to see happen. So yeah, I saw a ball of lightning. Welcome to upstate New York. It's so loud in here right now. I don't even think I can hear me yet. I want to watch YouTube right now. Alright, guys. Alright guys, I'm gonna eat. Have a good one. Woo! Alright, I just put the camera back on again because I wanted you to hear the difference in the sound in here. It's still raining. Alright guys, I am doing some crazy cooking here. I have got my oatmeal on the coffee machine. This is something this idea I picked up while doing some reading in the classroom that I work in. I thought this was a neat idea, so I'm giving it a try. Oatmeal with the coffee machine. Cheers! Perfect.